Hugo Hernandez Mendez is charged with murdering Dacara Thompson and then discarding her body. ICE says he was in the country illegally. Hernandez Mendez just made an appearance in court this afternoon. We want to warn you first, though, some of the details that are in this case you might find troubling. News 4's Darcy Spencer was at that hearing, joins us with the very latest on this investigation. Darcy?
Erica, it was a little bit of a surprise this afternoon. We were waiting for the bond review, and then his attorney said that he wasn't challenging. He did not try to get a bond set, so he's continuing to be held without bond. In the meantime, we are getting more information about what evidence has been collected in the case, including blood evidence and an indication that the victim suffered skull and facial fractures.
I just want justice served for my daughter.
The mother of Dacara Thompson making her first public statement following her daughter's killing and arrest of Hugo Hernandez Mendez on murder charges. The suspect, who denied involvement in the murder, agreed to be held without bond. According to charging documents, investigators found multiple areas of suspected blood in Hernandez Mendez's bedroom, including on a mattress. Detectives believe the crime happened in the bedroom of this Bowie home, where he lived with relatives and roommates, and there were signs of a physical altercation. The documents say detectives found a fake fingernail on the bedroom floor, and it matched a nail that was missing on the victim's finger when her body was found off of Route 50 in Anne Arundel County on August 31st, several days after she disappeared. Right now, Hernandez Mendez is facing first and second-degree murder charges.
We'll make a determination in short order as to the appropriateness of any charges and what those charges will be. And then we would present to the grand jury for indictment.
According to charging documents, Dacara had skull and facial fractures, and detectives expect her death to be ruled a homicide. The exact cause of her death has not yet been released. The documents say detectives also went through outside trash bins and allegedly found a white napkin with suspected bloodstains and hairs that were consistent with the wig Dacara was wearing. Prince George's police say Dacara willingly got in the SUV with Hernandez Mendez in the early morning hours of August 23rd. They drove to his Bowie home. During a search of that SUV, investigators say they found possible blood evidence in the passenger front seat. The police say that he's in the country illegally and that he was arrested by U.S. Park Police on a DUI charge in April, then released. It's unclear why he was not detained by ICE.
I'm very disappointed, finding that out now, because we may not be here today if they did what they were supposed to do.
Following his arrest, ICE placed a detainer on Hernandez Mendez. The interim state's attorney says immigration status is not relative in seeking justice for victims.
This office's primary concern is not the legal status of the defendant, or frankly of any other defendant. My concern is to hold accountable people who commit crimes against the residents of Prince George's County.
Now, we did reach out to U.S. Park Police as well as ICE regarding that release from that DUI charge. We have not yet heard back. Now, Dacara's mom also said today that people have been disparaging her daughter's character on social media. It sounds like this has been very painful for her. She said her daughter was a good girl, and she just wanted to remind everyone to show them some grace as they're grieving this loss. Back to you.
Darcy Spencer live for us this afternoon. Darcy, thank you.